In addition to creating requirements, it's possible to add one level of sub-requirements to each of your top-level requirements. This, for example, is how I track the requirements that are part of each individual content module. To add specific requirements to Content Module 1, I'm going to click on its name to go to its requirements screen. If I narrow this window a little bit, the list of students will go from individual boxes to a table view. And the sub-requirements box will be a little easier to see. To add a sub-requirement, click the plus button. At the moment, sub-requirements do not offer all the same features that the parent requirement does. To add a sub-requirement, enter the name and choose a scale. Click Save. You can use this process to add multiple sub-requirements. Once you've added sub-requirements, you can work with them just as you would the parent requirement. To look at a requirement on its own screen, click its name in the list. When looking at a sub-requirement, you'll notice that the box at the side is now labeled Sibling Requirements. These are the other requirements that are part of the content module that we've been working with. To go back to the parent requirement, you can click its name in the breadcrumb bar. At any point, you can bring a requirement and its sub-requirements onto one screen for easy viewing by clicking this Columns button. This display takes each of the sub-requirements and puts them to the right of the parent requirement at the left. This view is a little bit like a spreadsheet. Please note that requirements with many sub-requirements might not work well in this view. To switch back to a view of the parent requirement by itself, you can click on this button in the breadcrumb bar, click on its name in the breadcrumb bar. To jump to sub-requirements, you can also just click on their name here.